Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to make notarized NOC for GST. This is the case this is the case when you have to make an notarized NOC. When your house is owned by your parents, so you have to make no objection certificate NOC, and that should be notarized, means signed by advocate. This is made because NOC is a document which clarifies that your parents have no objection for that you are doing business in your house. So uh, for making NOC, it's very easy, guys. You have to go to advocate near you. There are too many or advocates office in your area. You can Google it, and you go to their office, advocate's office, and ask them for NOC, notarized NOC for GST, and just simply tell them where you want to do business and what's your parents name and all that. uh, and that should your property you should give the name of that person, like your father or mother, who's who owns the property, like property is whose name. So you have to give their name, and they will take somewhere around 50 to 100 to 150 depending on the area. So it's easy. If you are making your GST, make your own GST. And if you are wanted to know how to make GST, wait for my next video.